Pillows are a great addition to holiday decor. I've printed out my design and I have my Yamation Puff HTV. I already printed my design from another program. I was just using it so I could correctly get the right size and placement for my words. The two words are part of the same file, but it would waste a lot of my Puff vinyl to cut them out the way they are. I used a rectangle to slice the bottom word so that I could move it and just got rid of the parts I didn't need. Now that the two words are separated, I can move them the way I want. I rotated mine bottom word 180 degrees. I could have used the flip function too. Now I can cut my words out using a lot less of my Puff HTV. Don't forget to mirror your design and remember that Puff HTV, the glossy side goes down on the mat. I'm using a pad inside the pillow cover and I'm covering that with a piece of cardstock because it's not very thick. I'm so curious how this design came out because there's ghost and some like vapor ether in it, and I'm really surprised how great it came out. I added my words from the Puff HTV. Each manufacturer has different directions, so follow the directions for your brand. Also remember that the Puff HTV will pick up some of the texture from your pillow. And I really like the way it came out. The colors came out great. The Puff HTV gives it such a great dimension. I think I'll make more.